Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on BigBear.ai more than a month ago. To be precise, I made this video on December 27th of last year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $5.73. And my main assumption at this point was that we might see another leg to the downside that will retest this bottom of the previous wave, and we might have a reaction to the upside. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point at $5.74 mark on December 26th or 27th, and since I made my previous video, we had this movement to the downside, which retested this bottom. It had a breakout below, slightly below this level, but then we have a movement to the upside. And guys, take a look right here. Pay your attention to these three yellow lines at $6.5, at $6, and at $4.81. This is the same exact lines, and this is the range of resistance that wasn't broken. It's been holding for more than 22 days, and this line of support was also retested twice, but on the third time it was broken. Then the price went back to the upside, and we had another breakout. On top of that, take a look right here. This level of $4.81 was also a very good range of support, but then it was broken, and for now, guys, we are retesting this range as the range of resistance. This is another evidence of the power of technical analysis, and if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on today's video I will show you what crucial levels do we have for the price action of BigBear.ai, what news might be the catalyst for the stock, and what should you do if you want to benefit out of its movements. So first of all, let me show you the general sentiment related to BigBear.ai stock. If you type in Google search bar BigBear.ai stock and switch to News tab folder, you will see several recent news. And I want to pay attention to this one. It was published on ts2.tech and it's titled BigBear.ai stock jumps 16% into BigBear.ai share vote week. What to watch next? And let me show you that, well, this news, in my opinion, is quite a long-term news, because back in December and even back in November, BigBear.ai board of directors also mentioned about this potential dilutional process and the shareholders meeting. Let me quote to this. BigBear.ai is approaching a key shareholder vote that could nearly double its authorized share count, potentially smoothing the path to rising capital, funding acquisitions, or handing out equity awards, though not without diluting current shareholders. The company's rescheduled special meeting lands on February 18th, with one online ballots accepted up to late February 17th. And guys, I have to admit that this news of the shareholders meeting well, was published and was rescheduled several times. And because of this, BigBear.ai didn't have very good movements in either direction. It was hovering in pretty much sideways movement from the very beginning of November. Yes, it was quite volatile movements by itself, about 30% in each direction. But in general, guys, the only breakout that happened is the most recent breakout. From this top, this asset lost about 43% of its value within just one trading week. And for now, we have this movement to the upside. So what should we expect next? Let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's zoom out to, let's say, 4 hours time frame, and let me show you that in general, the movements of this asset are still quite bullish, because we still have higher lows. Unfortunately, we don't have higher highs, which means this asset is in some kind of consolidation phase. Because if I zoom out to a weekly time frame, you can see that, and I showed you this in my previous video, that if I connect these several tops and these several bottoms, we had some kind of symmetrical triangle that was broken to the downside. And this is the bad sign. The good sign, though, is the last candle that is, that was extremely bearish at the very beginning of its last week. But then, by the end of the week, the price went higher, and you can see that it closes exactly at the level of support of previous price action from September of last year. Which means, guys, we are at crucial point, and let me explain you what I'm talking about. If I zoom in again to hourly time frame, let me show you that right here, this line of support should be broken in order to confirm its potential bullishness, because the level, every time when you see the level of support, it can be the level of resistance and vice versa. And we have this range of about at about $4.81 as the range of resistance right now. Which means, guys, if it breaks to the upside, and let me show you like this, if in the upcoming session this asset breaks this range to the upside, retested from the top again as the range of support, and goes higher, it means that we are more bullish, and the next point of control will be this level of resistance again at around $6 mark. But if in the upcoming session this asset will be rejected to the downside, unfortunately the next point of control will be retest of $3.78. And if I zoom out to, let's say, 2 hours time frame, you can see that this bottom of $3.75 is the range of support that this asset had back in the days. If I just put the horizontal line right here, you can see that this asset retested, wait a second, this asset retested this line back in December of 2024. It was a kind of range of support right here, range of resistance at this point, and this point as well, and range of support you can see at these points. So, which means the retest is very possible, and the crucial level for now, guys, that we should pay our attention to is $4.8. And depending on the breakout, as I mentioned, we might anticipate its next potential movements. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stay